students, today I am going to teach 6th standard maths chapter 3 ratio and proportions. So here ratio means the comparison of two quantities with the same units. Here A and B are two quantities with the same unit. We can write the ratio format A is to B. So this is the symbol form we are using ratio. So A is to B. Now let's move on the exercise 3.1. The first question, fill in the blanks. The first one, ratio of rupees 3 to rupees 5. Here the two units are same units. We can write the ratio format 3 is to 5. Second one, ratio of 3 meter to 200 centimeter. The first unit is meter, the second one is centimeter. Now we have to arrange the same units. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 3 meter equal to 300 centimeter. So 300 ratio to 100. So we can write the ratio in fraction format. So ratio equal to fraction only. So 300 divided by 200. Now numerator 10, denominator 10 cancel. Here also one more 0 cancel. What is the remaining number? 3 divided by 2. So we can write fraction format, the ratio format 3 is to 2. Third question, ratio of 5 kilometer 400 meter to 6 kilometer. So here this one is meter only. We have to arrange the same units in meter. So we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 5 kilometer convert to meter means 5 into 1000, 5000. So 5000 meter plus 400 meter, we have to add the number. So 5400 meter. So 5400 meter. So ratio, so 6 kilometer convert to meter means 6 into 1000, 6000. So 6000 meter. So now we have to arrange the fraction format. So 5400 divided by 6000. Now 0, 0 cancel. Here also 0, 0 cancel. 54 and 60 in 6 table common. So 54 divided by 6. The denominator also 60 divided by 6. So in 6 table 54, how many times? 9 6 are 54. 6 table 60 10 times. Now the ratio format is 9 is to 10. Fourth question, ratio of 75 paise to rupees 2. Here also different units. We have to arrange the same units in rupees, in paise only. So 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. Therefore 2 rupees convert to paise means 200 paise. So what is the ratio format here? 75 paise, then 2 rupees convert to paise means 200. So 75 is to 200. 75 divided by 200. So in both numerator and denominator divide by 25 table. So 25 table divide by 25 in numerator and denominator also divide by 25. So in 25 table 75 3 times 25 are 75. In 25 table 200 8 times. So 3 divided by 8. So the answer is 3 is to 8. Third question, find the simplified form of the following ratios. The first ratio is given. We have to find the simplified form. Simplest form we have to find out. So 15 is to 20. We have to write the fraction form 15 divided by 20. So the both numerator and denominator 15 and 20, 5 table is possible, that is divisible by 5. Therefore divided by 5 in numerator, denominator also divided by 5. So 5 table 15, how many times? 5 3s are 15. 5 table 20, 5 4s are 20. The answer is, the first one answer is 3 divided by 4 is equal to 3:4. The ratio format is 3:4. The second question, 32:24 is equal to 32 divided by 24. So 32 and 24, so 8 table common, so divided by 8, divided by 8. So 8 table, 8 4s are 32, 8 table 24, 8 3s are 24. So the ratio format is 4:3. Third question, 7:15. So equal to 7 by 15. So 7 and 15, so common for, is not common for any table. Therefore, we can write the fraction as it is, 7:15. Fourth question, 12:27. So 12 divided by 27. So 12 and 27, 3 table common. So divide by 3. Here also divide by 3. So 3 table 12, how many times? 3 4s are 12. In 3 table 27, 9 3s are 27. So the ratio format is 4:9. The fifth question, 75:100. First we have to write the fraction format. 75 in numerator divided by the denominator value is 100. Now we have to, simplest form we have to write. So 75 and 100, 25 table is common. So divisible by 25, 75 25 divisible by 25, 100 also divided by 25. So in 25 table, 75 3 times. Here also 25 table, 100 4 times. So the answer is 3:4. This is the simplest ratio format. Fourth question, Agilan walks 10 km in an hour while Selvi walks 6 km in an hour. Find the simplest ratio of the distance covered by Agilan and to that of Selvi. Here what is given? Distance covered by Agilan in 1 hour equal to 10 km is given. Distance covered by Selvi in 1 hour equal to 6 km. We have to find the distance covered by Agilan and Selvi in ratio format we have to find. So 10:6 is the ratio format. So we have to write the fraction format 10 divided by 6. So 10 and 6, 2 table common. Therefore divide by 2. Here also divide by 2. So 2 table 10, 5 times possible. Here also 2 table 6, 3 times possible. So the answer is 5:3. So distance covered by Agilan and Selvi, the ratio format is 5:3. Fifth question, the cost of parking a bicycle is ₹5 and the cost of parking a scooter is ₹15. Find the simplest ratio of parking cost of bicycle to that cost of scooter. Here what is the given value? The parking cost of bicycle is given, that is ₹5. The parking cost of scooter is given, that is ₹15. We have to find the ratio format of parking cost of bicycle and scooter. So the bicycle cost is ₹5. So 5:15. Now we have to write the fraction format 5 divided by 15. So in 5 and 15, So both numbers are divisible by 5. Therefore, numerator divide by 5 and denominator also divide by 5. So in 5 table 5 1 times. So in 5 table 15 3 times. So the answer is 1:3. The parking cost of bicycle is to ratio is 1:3. Sixth question. Out of 50 students in a class, 30 are boys. Find the ratio of the first one, number of boys to the number of girls. Second one, number of girls to the total number of students. So third subdivision, number of boys to the total number of students. Here, total number of students is given, that is 50. Number of boys also given, that is 30. We have to find the number of girls. So total number of students is 50. 50 minus 30, the answer is 20. So number of girls is 20. The first subdivision, number of boys to the number of girls. Find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. That is, number of boys total strength is 30. 30 is to 20. The fraction format is 30 divided by 20. 0, 0 cancel. The ratio format is 3:2. Subdivision, ratio of number of girls to total number of students. So number of girls is 20. Total number of students is 50. So 20:50 is the ratio format. We have to convert to fraction format, 20 divided by 15. So in 10 table, 2 tens are 20, 5 tens are 50. So 2:5 is the answer. Third subdivision, ratio of number of boys to total number of students. So number of boys 30, total number of students 50. So 30 divided by 50. So in 10 table 3 times, 10 table 5 times. So 3:5 is the answer. So thank you students. We will meet the next video class.